Epson XP-5100 Printer Review. In this review, we will be discussing in details about the Epson XP-5100 printer available in the market today. This review was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need Epson XP-5100 printer, this review will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Printer Ever presents Epson XP-5100 Printer Review. Let's get started.
Introducing the Epson Expression Home XP-5100 Small-in-One. The compact and versatile printer that's just the right fit for your home. The XP-5100 makes it easy to increase productivity with its fast print speeds, plus auto two-sided printing, which helps save both time and paper. Reload paper less often thanks to its 150-sheet paper tray, and enjoy easy navigation with its 2.4-inch color LCD screen. The XP-5100 enables easy mobile printing from your smartphone or tablet and allows network-free printing from your home computer via Wi-Fi Direct. And affordable Claria individual ink cartridges mean you replace only the cartridges that run out. The XP-5100 provides convenient PC-free printing with its built-in card slot, plus handy stationery templates, including lined paper and calendar pages. Free up desk space with its remarkably compact space-saving design. It comes with bonus software that enables you to scan your favorite images directly to Facebook and your cloud account. With the Epson Creative Print app, print borderless photo montages from your favorite social media apps, plus custom greeting cards, stationery, and more. And with genuine Claria ink, it helps you create high-quality, personalized projects. Packed with convenient features, the Epson Expression Home XP-5100 Small-in-One printer is perfect for your family's everyday printing needs.
Shows you how to connect your Epson printer to a wireless network. In this demonstration, you will be using the printer's control panel to select wireless settings. Before you start, make sure you have a wireless network already set up. Your network may include one or more computers or devices and an internet modem connected to a router. Before making a connection, make sure that your router is wireless. Now let's set up your Epson printer and add it to your network. When you're done, you'll be able to print wirelessly from your computer. You can add the ability to print from another computer later on. Follow the steps on the Start Here sheet. The Start Here sheet shows you how to physically set up your printer. When you get here, install your printer software. If you are using a Windows computer, insert the CD that came with your printer. If you are using a Mac or your computer does not have a CD or DVD drive, download and run the product's software package from the Epson support site. When you see this screen, click Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. This can take several minutes. At this screen, select Wireless Connection and click Next. At this screen, select Set up Printer for the first time and click Next. If the installer is able to detect your wireless settings, you see this screen. Select Yes and click Next, then follow the rest of the on-screen instructions. The installer will automatically connect the product to your network, and your setup is now complete. If the installer is unable to detect your wireless settings, you see this screen. Select Using Control Panel and click Next. You will need your wireless network's name and password in order to set up your printer. This information will automatically appear on the screen if your computer is connected to a wireless network. Click Show Network Password to display the password. Then, copy down the wireless network name and password exactly as shown. When you're done, click Next. When you see this screen, look at your printer's control panel. Press the Home button. Press the up arrow button and the right arrow button to select the network icon. Then press OK. Press OK to select Wi-Fi recommended. Press OK to select Start Setup. Then press OK again to select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Press the up or down arrow button to select your network's name. Then press OK. Press OK again to select the Enter Password field. Next, enter your wireless password. Press the arrow buttons to highlight a character. Then press OK to select it. If your password contains upper or lowercase letters, be sure to enter them in the correct case. Select this icon to enter uppercase letters. Or select this icon to enter numbers or symbols. Select this icon to delete characters. Select this icon to enter a space. When you're done entering your password, select OK. When you see this screen, press the down arrow button to select Start Setup, then press OK. Your printer is connected to your wireless network. Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to finish installing the software. You are now ready to print wirelessly. If you want to print from another Windows computer, insert the CD that came with your printer. If you are using a Mac or your computer does not have a CD or DVD drive, download and run the product's software package from the Epson support site. At this screen, select "The printer is already on my wireless network." Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to install the software. You can repeat this process for additional computers. You are now ready to print wirelessly from your computer.